Do you want to turn your photos into cartoon-style artwork using your S Pen? Samsung has a feature called Drawing Assist Restyle Image. One of the effects is Insta Toon. Let me show you how to use it. First, remove your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose Insta Toon as the effect. Tap Generate and wait for the result. When the result is ready, you will see several icons at the top of the image. Tap the download icon to save the image to your gallery. Insta Toon is great for creative art and backgrounds, but for portrait or animals, the result might not match with the original image. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.